Welcome from my tiny kitchen. Watch this video and learn how to make this easy, delicious marble butter loaf cake, a perfect tea time treat. This loaf cake recipe is easy to make. Start by mixing soft, not melted butter until light and fluffy. Then mix in the sugar, followed by vanilla extract and the eggs one at a time, mixing well with each addition. Then mix in the milk and self-raising flour. Don't forget to scrape down the sides of the bowl before one final quick mix. When ready, keep aside for use later. For the chocolate marble batter, mix together cocoa powder and hot water to form a smooth paste. Then mix in about half a cup of the vanilla cake batter. I didn't really measure. This recipe is quite forgiving. When ready, scrape out the well-mixed chocolate batter into a piping bag. To prepare the loaf tin, rub a small amount of butter onto it. I usually keep a few butter wrappers in the fridge for this purpose. Remember to keep an eye out for expiry dates. Then, line with baking paper. Make slits in the corners of a rectangle piece of baking paper. This helps to cover all the sides and makes for easy lifting out. When ready, add half of the vanilla mixture into the loaf tin. Then pipe on the chocolate mixture, reserving some to make a feathered design on the top. Cover with the remaining vanilla mixture and flatten with a spoon or spatula. Pipe lines about 1 centimeter apart using the chocolate mix. Then, using a sharp-tipped knife, create the feathered design by scraping the knife in the loaf forwards and backwards. When ready, bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes or until an inserted knife or skewer comes out clean. And there you have it. It is really that easy to make. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already and check out some of these other videos for more baking inspiration.